Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 counting. Colors name: brown color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, dark green color, purple color, pink color, brown color and black color. Let's start. One, O-N-E, one. Two, T-W-O, two. Three, T-H-R-E-E, three. Four, F-O-U-R, four. Five, F-I-V-E, five. Six, S-I-X, six. Seven, S-E-V-E-N, seven. Eight, E-I-G-H-T, eight. Nine, N-I-N-E, nine. 10, T-E-N, ten. 11, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. 17, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17. 18, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. 21, T-W-E-N-T-Y-O-N-E, 1, 21. 22, T-W-E-N-T-Y-T-W-O, 22. 23, T-W-E-N-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E, 3, 23. 24, T-W-E-N-T-Y-F-O-U-R, 24. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about red color, light green color, blue color, brown color, yellow color and orange color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.